Good morning, all of you. I Razia Patan from Glanmanji Vidyapit, Standard 4th. So, students, now on the 15th Feb, our exam will start, right? So, we'll start that revision, unit number 5th. What your exam paper pattern is there. So, we'll start revision from the paper pattern. In that paper pattern, there is a questions. Question number 1 is solve the following. So we'll start here word problems. Solve the following word problems is there. So we'll start first unit number 5th word problem is there. In that we'll start worksheet number 24. Worksheet number 24 word problems. Solve the following word problems. So in that question number first is Hari spent 3/4 of his pocket's money on Sunday and 1/4 of his pocket money on Monday. On which day did he spend more? कौन से डे में उसने सबसे ज्यादा मनी वो स्पेंड की है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू फॉलो सम स्टेप्स. अकॉर्डिंग दैट स्टेप्स विल सॉल्व दिस वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, सो हियर so students, in that step 1, here we have to use narrow method. In that step 1 is numbers. We have to find numbers and keywords. So here is the number 3/4 money on the Sunday, 1/4 money on the Monday. 3/4 money on the Sunday and 1/4 money on the Monday. Now step 2. Step 2 is ask. Step 2 is a ask. Which day did he spend more? कौन से डे में उसने सबसे ज्यादा मनी है वो स्पेंड की है. ठीक है, दैट इज आवर क्वेश्चन. नाउ स्टेप 3 इज ड्रॉ. दिस ड्रॉइंग वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अवर अंडरस्टैंड. हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए हम ड्रॉ करेंगे. सो इन दैट हियर वी हैव टू ड्रॉ 2 रेक्टेंगल. इन दैट रेक्टेंगल वन we have to draw 4 parts is there because of the total number of the parts are 4. Total number of the parts are 4. So here in the both we have to draw 4 parts. In that 4 parts we have to shade it 3 parts. We have to shade 3 parts. How many parts we have to shade it? 3 parts. 3 parts are shaded here. In that 1/4 again we have to shade it 1 part. Okay. Now step 4. Step 4 is the operation. What was the step 4? Step 4 is the operation. So compare the fractions. Here what was our operation? We have to compare the fractions. So that 3/4 greater than 1/4. 3/4 is greater than 1/4. So answer is Hari spent more on Sunday. Hari spent more money on Sunday. Got it? Now look at these sums, everyone. Look at these sums and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you half an hour. You have to complete your work. Okay? I give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay, everyone? You have to complete it. Okay, students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Next sum is, my father gave me 1/5 of a chocolate. He gave 2/5 of the chocolates to my sister. Did he give equal portion of the chocolates to both of us? Now father ने क्या किया? Father ने 1/4 पार्ट से वो 1/4 of the chocolate, 1/5 of the chocolates थी. He gave 2/4 of chocolates my sister. मेरे sister को उसने कितनी दी? 2/5. Did he give equal portion of this chocolates to both of us? दोनों को equal portion में chocolates दी है या नहीं दी है? That we have to find. Okay, so here also we have to follow the steps and we'll get the answers. So students, in that step number 4, numbers and keywords. Numbers is 1/5 of a chocolates and 2/5 of a chocolates. This is our number. This is our number. Now step 2. Did he give equal portion of chocolates to both of us? दोनों को equal portion में chocolates दी है या नहीं दी है वो हमें find करना है. ठीक है. And step 3 is me. This is here we have to draw 2 rectangle. In that rectangle we have to 5 parts we have to do it. 5 parts हम करेंगे. In that parts we have to, in the me, जहाँ पे मेरी चॉकलेट है वहां पे I have shaded 1 part and my sister chocolates is there is I shaded 2 parts. Okay, because 2/5 is there. Now look at these 3 steps. After that we'll start next steps. Step number 4th and 5th. First you look at this and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute so you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start step number 4 and 5th. Okay. So students, step number 4 is operation. So here we have to use compare the fractions. Our operation is a compare the fractions. Step 5, 1/5 less than 2/5. 1/5 less than 2/5. My father gave more chocolates to my sister. किसको सबसे ज्यादा चॉकलेट्स मिली है? सिस्टर को. So what we have to write? My father gave more chocolates to my sister. Now I'll give you half an minute. You have to complete your work. Complete the step number 4 and step number 5th. Then we'll start next sum. Okay students, I hope so your writing portion is complete. Now we'll start sum number C. Okay. So in that students, Gaurav finished 2/8 of his homework on Sunday or on Saturday and 3/8 on Sunday. What fractions of the homework did he finish in the 2 days? In the 2 days, Gaurav finished 2/8 of his homework on Saturday and 3/8 on the Sunday. What fractions the homework did is finish on the 2 days. 2 days में उसने कितना homework है वो complete किया है वो हमें यहाँ पे find करना है. So always we have to do the addition, then we'll get the answers. So let's start that. Now students, here we have to follow the steps. So in that step number 1 is we have to find the numbers. So number is 2/8 on the Saturday and 3/8 on the Monday. Homework he is doing. What he is doing? homework. Now step number 2 is what fractions of the homework did he finish in the 2 days. 2 days में उसने कितना homework किया है वो हमें find करना है. So now we have to start step 3. In that step 3 is a draw. We have to draw 2 rectangle. In that rectangle will divide in the 8 parts. After that dividing, we have to shade it the Saturday. On the Saturday, he is completed 2/8. So we have to shade it 2 parts on the Saturday, and on Sunday he is completed 3/8 portion. So we have to shade it 3 portion, 1, 2, and 3. Now, step number 4 is the operation. So what we have to do? We have to do here addition. What we have to do? We have to do here addition. So in that step 5 is solutions 2/8 plus 3/8. 2 plus, here we have to write 2 plus 3/8. 2 plus 3, 5 is there, so 5/8. 5/8. So Gaurav finished 5/8 of the homework. 5/8 of the homework Gaurav is finished. Now look at the step number 1, 2, 3. Step number 1, 2, and 3, and write it down in your notebook. Okay? Write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now I'll show you step number 4 and 5th. You have to write it down in your rough book. Students, this is a revision and this revision is very important for you. So you must be write it. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 25. In that worksheet there is a solve the following word problem is there. In that first one question is Rohan has a 3/7 of the cake on his birthday and his sister has a 2/7 of the cake who had more cake. Now सबसे ज्यादा किसको केक मिला वो हमें यहाँ पे फाइंड करना है. Okay, so we'll start that. Okay students, so here we have to follow the steps. Step number 1 is a number. So number is a 3/7 of the cake his birthday. ठीक है, उसके बर्थडे में कितने केक था? 7/3, 2/3 of the cake. Okay, so in that step number 2 is the who had more cake. सबसे ज्यादा केक किसके पास था? Step number 3 we have to draw here 2 rectangle. In that 2 rectangle we have to divide 7 parts is there. we have to put 7 parts. In that 7 part, we have to shaded 3 parts. How many parts we have to shaded here? 3 parts. 1, 2 and 3 parts are shaded here. Rohan, in the Rohan we have to shaded 3 parts, and here is the 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In that we have to shaded 2 parts, his sister. Okay. Step number 4. Step number 4 is compare the fractions. Here we have to comparing the fraction. Step number 5 is 3 upon 7 greater than 2 upon 7. 3 upon 7 greater than 2 upon 7. So रोहन had more cake than his sister. रोहन के पास उसकी sister से ज्यादा केक था. Now look at this step number 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Write it down in your notebook. Write it down in your rough book. Okay. I'll give you one means you have to complete your work, everyone. This sums you have to write in your rough book, either than write in the revision book. So this is helpful during the exam time. Okay. Okay students, I hope so. Your step number 1st, 2nd and 3rd is completed. Now I'll show you step number 4th and 5th. So you have to complete that also in a rough book. So your sums is completed. Okay. Okay. This is the step number 3rd, 4th and 5th. You have to complete these sums. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write it down in your rough book, either than revision book. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now what was your homework is there students? Now revisions time. So you have to complete the word problems of unit number 5th. यूनिट नंबर 5th में जितने भी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स है वो आप लोग कंप्लीट करोगे, एंड यू हैव टू डू द मोर एंड मोर प्रैक्टिस. ओके, जितनी प्रैक्टिस ज्यादा करोगे उतना आपके लिए इजी होगा सम्स करना. सो यू हैव टू डू दैट, एंड बिफोर 3 o'clock वॉट एवर वर्क इज यू डन, whatever work you will be done, you have to send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, before 3 o'clock anyhow, any case you have to complete your work and send it to us. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.